Christians of every kind have a vision that they're the only ones sitting up on the truth. You can hear it from their lips that all evil could be eclipsed if only a law for apocalypse would sweep the others away. Through the gate on Monday in the race to payday, but my creditors bet me and won a raise. Said people don't worry, they say don't be in a hurry, but they're waiting patiently for it to trickle down. I was doing exactly that. I sat right down outside my flat, felt something bouncing off my hat. It was a yellow rain. Conscience, you can vote your wallet, but if your ballot's not counted, it ain't worth a damn. Now there are a lot of folks who've been convinced to give their votes to candidates who have raised the most, and I don't mean kids. The rich can go on a shopping spree and even buy up the presidency. We can just watch our democracy go bye-bye. With a bully pulpit, you can blow your trumpet, but when a bully thumps it, he's a dictator. Tell a lie on Friday, twist the truth on Sunday, rinse and repeat till Monday, till it becomes the truth. America's a funny place to be. You can lie, steal, cheat, you can do all three, and then still let you do the presidency. Honk, Noah's here. Honk, Noah's here. Honk, Noah's here. Honk, honk, and then still let you do the presidency. Honk, noise here.